Imagine optimizing your entire Shopify store's SEO with a single text command. With the new StoreSEO AI Toolkit, you can do exactly that by connecting your store to AI coding agents like Claude Code, Cursor, and more. If you look at your store SEO products list, you might find some items with low optimization scores that need attention. Instead of fixing them manually, let's automate it. From the Store SEO settings page, navigate to the AI Toolkit tab. Here, click the Generate Token button. Give your token a memorable name, like Claude Code, and hit Generate. Store SEO will create a unique API key for you. Right below that, you will find the installation snippet for your preferred AI assistant. This uses the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to create a secure bridge to your store. Simply copy the command provided for your tool. Open your terminal, paste the copied command, and press Enter to install the Store SEO MCP server. To make sure everything is working perfectly, type Claude MCP list and hit Enter. You should see Store SEO listed with a connected status. Now for the magic. Launch your AI assistant in the terminal and simply type SEO optimize all my least scoring products. Within seconds, the AI agent goes to work. It automatically identifies your lowest scoring products, fixes meta titles, descriptions, image alt text and schemas, and pushes the improvements directly to your store. Let's check the results. Back in the Store SEO app, refresh your product list or search for the products. You will see those previously low scores have instantly jumped up to fully optimized green ratings. And that is how easily you can automate your Shopify SEO workflow. If you found the video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.